Hello everyone. I am delighted today to present the findings of my analysis on the dataset Global Terrorism as a part of graduate rotational internship program at Sparks Foundation. My name is Zishan Ahmed and this is my task number 2, and in this internship program the task number is 4. So in this task I was asked to find out the hot zones of terrorism. So throughout this presentation, I will delve into the key findings. I have prepared a list of questions for better analysis. So thank you for your attention. So let's dive into my findings. So these are the questions that I have prepared, and I have used Power BI as my data visualization tool, as you can see. So let's go to the first question. So my first question is, which region suffered the most from terrorism? So as we can see that the higher Iraq has the highest number of casualties, that is 79K, followed by Afghanistan, followed by Pakistan, followed by Nigeria, then India, and then Sri Lanka. So to the next question, the top terrorist group by success. So we have an unknown group which has the highest number of kills, followed by Islamic State of Iraq and the Levant, followed by Taliban, followed by Boko Haram, and then Shining Path with 12K kills. Moving on to the next question. What was the deadliest weapon used? So, as we can see that the weapon which has the highest amount of success, and that is explosion, which is 58.52%, followed by armed assault 30.45, and assassination with 11.03% of success. Moving on to the next question. What was the most preferred attack type? So, the most preferred attack type was bombing, then armed assault, and then assassination. In which year where the most attacks happened? So, as we can see in this chart, the highest number of attacks was in 2014, and the number was around 15,015. So, I have also identified the hot zones where the countries have the highest number of kills. So the countries which have the highest number of kills are Sri Lanka, Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, Iraq, Nigeria, and Iraq has the highest number of kills. So these are the hotspots of terrorism. So in the next, and we have one another chart, sum of success by target type. So as we can see that the private citizens has the percentage of 46.13%, then militants, and then police. So that was all. Thank you.